let's talk about our ever-changing audience, like kids today, and what you can do about it. I hear it a lot. Kids today, kids these days. But you know what I think? I think every generation has experienced that. If you really go back, it's kind of fascinating research. Recently, we were introduced to January 1st of 2025, which is the beginnings of the beta generation. I know, imagine a whole new generation now is being born. These are kids who will never know a world without 5G, social media, Alexa, turn the lights on. Like they're just born into it. They have no reference to what it was like in different generations. If you look at that and you go back in time, you have to remember that the parents who raise the kids that are in our classrooms are from a different generation than us. And so that is always going to be present. And so we've got to think about what was going on in the world at that time. What was some of the technology? What were some of the shifts in the way school or was happening? Anything at all. Economic situations, global crises, and they really impact the way kids are raised. So instead of getting all caught up on kids today, think about kids today. So if you want to look at some fascinating research, go back to the greatest generation, the silent generation, the baby boomers, the Gen X, the millennials, the Gen Z, the alphas, and now the betas. Life was different in every generation. It's always going to be something. Thanks for watching. Please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment.